Every time you click a link online, someone gets paid. But what if I told you there is a glitch, a digital loophole that lets you earn money from clicks you don't even control? No product, no followers, no content, just traffic and a redirect. Welcome back to the channel where we expose the weirdest ways to earn online. Today, I'm revealing a strategy that's blowing up in underground finance forums across the US. It's called link mirroring, and it's turning viral traffic into passive income, even for complete beginners. Here's how it works. Step 1. Find viral links. Go to Reddit, TikTok, or Twitter and find trending content articles, videos, or products people are already clicking. Step 2. Mirror the link using a redirect tool. Use platforms like Sniply, Switchy, or Rebrandly to create a custom redirect. These tools let you add your own affiliate, tag, ad pixel, or even a pop-up CTA. Step 3. Drop the link in high traffic zones, post it in comment sections, forums, Discord servers, or AI-generated blog posts. You are not promoting, you are piggybacking on existing traffic. Step 4. Stack micro earnings. Each click might earn you 1 cent to $0.1 depending on the platform. But with volume and automation, creators are making $50 to $200 per day without creating anything original. It's like flipping attention instead of flipping products, and it's 100% legal.